Maybe we got fish on pole, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. You can get.
Ooh.
Go down there, bro.
Let's get close up with that water. So nice.
See that fish?
I don't know. Is there any fish? I'll have to look through the video feed, see if I find some later. If I don't, then that's fine. So how far are we going?
Not that far. It's follow.
Okay.
Look at that. Had to get up in the morning. Go to work.
Looks like a woodpecker got that tree too.
Yeah.
Well, we've seen a couple. Well, I mean, we haven't, but I wish we have. Oh wow. Someone like tree carving so much.
Yeah.
Ooh. That was loud. The fly that keeps buzzing in my ears. I'm getting dirt in my shoes. That's alright. I'm getting dirt in my shoes. There's a tree in our path. See that? There's a tree in our path. We can always go around it. If only if I had one of those 3D cameras.
Right?
If only if I had one of those 3D cameras that they use for like Photoshop, Google Maps.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd wear that thing everywhere. Oh, look, another tree in our way.
Mm-hmm.
Do you ever wonder if there's owls in this forest?
Probably. What about these?
Which way?